Okay, everyone, it is time for me to do my garden tour. So this is what we have so far. Over here on this cattle panel, these are my cucumbers. So there's pickling, and I don't know what all the variety is. Let's see what we got. Burpless and hybrid burpless. And that noise, that's this little thing because a raccoon was out here and it scared me half to death. So let's just do this first side. These are all my cucumbers. And I've got some marigold here. Then we have on this side, I got my little bird feeder, and I got a tomato plant. And it's actually got some tomatoes on here. Let's see. Right there. And then this is just a bucket. Then I've got a new raised bed that's got my, I think this is my squash. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yes, this is my zucchini squash. And this one. Let's go over here. We got my crookneck squash and some marigolds in this one. Another tomato plant. Peppers, and that is a tomato plant back in the back. Got some potatoes planted in this tire. Another tomato plant. That is going to be, I'm not sure. Oh, here it is. Let's see. Cherokee purple. Then we got more tomatoes. I'm going to be doing a lot of canning. And more tomatoes right here. And it's got a couple on there. This bed has got more cucumbers over here on this side. And this is my watermelon and cantaloupe. Okay, out here by my studio, we have got some cabbage. Look like I need to water them. Okay, and so down here by the hot tub, we have got a grow bag with potatoes. And this is my herb garden. It's got dill and peppers and cilantro. Another grow bag that's got peppers. Here's onion in these buckets. And I think that's about it. Let's go up here on my deck. Needs to be painted and see what we have up here. Okay, so in these little containers, we've got bell pepper, jalapeno peppers, and summer squash. Then we have over here, oh, peppers, and it's already some on here. On those, then we got a Whopper tomato plant. Here is sweet banana pepper. Here we got another tomato plant. And then in this one, I don't see it. Oh, Marglobe tomato plant. Here we have maybe okra. Okay, so that is my garden tour. Oh, we got some down here. Let's see. We got down here, we got, ooh, peppers. Look, and it's already blooming. So this is a hot banana pepper. And then these stuff down here, I don't know. I think Charles just planted seeds. So stay tuned for my next video and we can see how things are growing.